Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will add menu in the side of the master page. So here is where we want to add menu. In the last video, we configured the master page. Now let's go ahead and add the side menu. So this is the side menu. Now we will go to the demo. So now we are at the layout page.master. Under navigation control, we can see a menu. In the previous video, we told that we will use the bulleted list, but there is a even more fine-tuned control. Under the navigation, you can see the menu, and you can drag and drop that menu to the second row, second cell of the table. So here I placed the menu control. Right, so this is the menu control, and when I go to the source view, you can see this is the menu control here. So we will adjust the table data. So inside this table data, we have the menu, right? We'll state style equal to width 20%. So that means in total width, this menu will occupy only the 20%. And when you go to design view, you can see the menu is shifted or pushed towards the right. The content page occupies 80%, and the menu will occupy 20% of the total rows width. Now we will click here and choose edit menu items. Add root item 1, 2, 3. So here we will use text as home page. And then here we will use a product page. And the third one we will name it as web admin. So there are 3 menu items we have, and we will click OK for now. And you can see this is our side menu in the master page. Now our master page is ready, and the master page name is layout page.master, and we kept that inside the master pages folder. So in the top it contains a banner that comes from the images folder, and in the bottom we placed a label and then modified the text. In the right side part we are having a menu navigation control, and in the remaining cell there is only one cell. There we have the content placeholder control. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.